Good morning, everyone. Present here. Today, I'm going to give a speech. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. It's not a simple sentence. It's idiom. Many here may not know. So, at first, I want to clear this meaning. Simple sentence is one that has a simple meaning, and idiom is one that has a favoriting meaning. We say directly this meaning is slightly different. So, as the nick of the time, this idiom means in the right moment or just in time. So, I want to prove Swami Vivekananda's biography. When Swami Vivekananda went to America in 1893 to speech, Chicago Great Conference, he had no place to stay and he was humiliated everyone. Then Swami Vivekananda took a shelter in a fish box and spent these days. At the time is winter. The end of the day, Swami Vivekananda given opportunities to speak for 5 minutes. He began to speak. The first sentence speak, sister and brothers of America. After saying this sentence, everyone American surprised and clapped his hand for 2 minutes. Swami Vivekananda gave full 2 hour lecture instead of 5 minutes. The end of the speech, Swami Vivekananda, famous in America, and many poster printed his name, and everyone American respect him. So we can understand from this incident, we should not someone character only by his external looks. We can see everyone American insults Swami Vivekananda's looks, appearance, citizenship, clothes. So Swami Vivekananda, he has proved himself in the whole world by his performance. So we should not insult anyone by looking his skin color, clothes, citizenship, religion. So we always should remember that don't judge a book by its cover, or appearance never equal the person worth. Thank you so much, sir.
খুব ভালো হয়েছে অনিন্দিতা, খুব ভালো প্রিপারেশন করেছো তুমি, এটার উপর টাইম দিয়েছো, এটা বোঝা যায়।